Welcome to my newest listing in London, Ontario at 1196 North Wenige Drive. This is Sanjay Gupta, broker with eXp Realty. 3 reasons you need to strongly consider this house in your wish list. There is large and functional floor plan layout. Location of this home is unmatched, and best part now is income producing finished legal basement with separate side entrance. Very rare in London. House is located in demanding neighborhood of Stony Creek of North London with easy access to highways, top ranking schools, both via rail and bus transit, sports parks, fantastic shopping and recreational centers. Western University and hospitals are within 10 minutes of drive. Mosque, temple and church are also within short driving distance. Modern exterior, this 5-bedroom and 4-bathroom 3100 square feet house is situated on 36 feet wide and 112 feet deep pool-sized lot with elegant landscaping done in the front and backyard. The wide driveway can occupy 3 cars outside and 2 cars inside the garage. This means no problem with bigger family with more cars. Let's get inside the property. Come with me. Most families want separate living room, family room, dining room and breakfast as well. And guess what? This home has it all. Let's start with this beautiful living room for your formal guest. Very spacious and cozy, sits 8 to 10 people. Combined formal dining area can sit 8 people easily. This is huge room with large windows and ample amount of light as well. Check out heart of the house, which is this executive kitchen. Has tons of counter space and also has this center island. It boasts stainless steel kitchen appliances and lots of pantry space you would never run out of it. Normal homes usually have 2 glass patio doors, but this one has triple glass patio door to give you the positive feelings and tons of natural light. This one also has beautiful breakfast area as well. Next in the list is this family room. Feel like perfect dream family room where you can spend hours and hours with your loved ones watching TV and playing games. Guys, let's go upstairs to check out all the bedrooms. Upstairs, you will find 4 bedrooms, laundry upstairs as well and 2 full bathrooms. Master bedroom, being the largest with backyard views, has full 5-piece ensuite. The other 3 bedrooms are very good size, fits king bed as well. Let's check out this finished legal basement apartment. Welcome to the separate accessory apartment with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom with separate side entrance that you can rent out anywhere in the range of $1,200 to $1,500 per month to cover equivalent monthly payment of $250,000 mortgage. This is a big reliever for you in today's high interest rate environment, and it gives you your finances more edge as well. This location is surrounded by natural forest green trees to give you that fresh oxygen always. Better call now to book your showing for this home before it's gone. Thank you so much for being with me on my listing tour. For selling your home, you can give me a call for complimentary home evaluation. For buying this home, definitely you can give me a call or my team a call anytime. See ya, bonjour, shukriya, आओ जो फिर मिलेंगे.